Surprise, surprise! Today we are making birria tacos.
Birria tacos. Birria.
2.5 pound chuck pot roast, 6 California chili pods, 5 Guajillo chili pods, 1 chili pasilla, 3 chili diablo, 3 bay leaves, 2 large white onions, 2 Roman tomatoes, 1 bunch of cilantro. I actually have 2 just because we love cilantro. 7 garlic cloves, 2.5 or 3 whole cloves, limes to taste, ginger, small cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, spoon oregano, spoon cumin, 1/4 cup white distilled vinegar. Let's get started. Alright, we're gonna take the chuck pot roast and we're gonna cut it into 4 sections, just like you see here. Alright, you're gonna get your pot, you're gonna put an onion, 4 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, 2 or 3, salt, just over the top. Put your beef broth about halfway, and then the rest is gonna just be water. So medium high heat for about 2 hours. Yeah, so we're gonna rip the top off of the peppers. We're about to de-seed all of the peppers. These 3, I'm gonna keep the seeds inside. The more seeds you have in the pepper, the hotter the pepper is gonna be. So it's really up to you how much you want to remove. I'm removing all of the peppers except for the 3 chili diablo. I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce that. Now we're gonna rinse out our peppers. Just put them in a pot. Get like warm water. Fill up the pot, pour it out. Just do that about 3 times. When we're done rinsing, we're gonna fill up the pot with the peppers with some cool water because we're going to cook the peppers now. Then we're gonna set the chilies to high heat and for about 20 minutes or until they're softened. So now we're gonna cook the sesame seeds. It only takes a couple minutes, just till they're like goldish brownish, like that. Now they're done. So we're gonna prep our cinnamon sticks. Here's a visual about how much you should have. Then we're just gonna put that to the side. Okay, we're also gonna prep our ginger. Here's a visual of how much ginger you should have. We're gonna peel the ginger, get it nice and clean. Voila, and this is how it should look. This is how much you should have. The peppers are done. They are nice and soft, and meanwhile, mind you, your meat is cooking through all this other prep. We're gonna take a paper towel, put them bad boys right on it so that it can what do you call it, absorb the extra moisture. So the peppers cooled down pretty much, so I'm gonna put them in the blender cup. So as we're gonna start adding all our ingredients to the peppers to make the sauce. Okay, so now we're gonna add all of our ingredients near the vinegar, the sesame seeds, the ginger piece that we shaved, bay leaves, like 4 of them, extra if you want to, your cinnamon stick, the whole cloves, black pepper just to taste, just like do like that much. And then your cumin, your oregano, and I forgot to tell you to add thyme. 3 teaspoons of thyme. 3 teaspoons of thyme. Do not forget that. 3 teaspoons of thyme, your garlic, and then your beef broth made from your beef that's actually boiling right now. Just strain it. Get you 1 cup of your beef broth. 1 whole cup of your beef broth. And 3 teaspoons of thyme. Then we're going to grind that up and watch the outcome. It's so beautiful. So now we're going to take that sauce that we just made. We're going to strain it into the beef. Your beef should be done by now. It's been about 2 hours to be no chunks or anything. So I actually was able to just get it straight from the blender because it blended up so well. So okay, we're going to take our tomatoes. We're going to boil our tomatoes. Then we're going to let our tomatoes cool. We're cooked. They done opened up. They're very hot. Right, you're going to get your beef, put it to the side so it can cool off. Very important so we can shred it. So before you drain it, you want to just put some of the juice to the side because one of these you're going to add the tomato to it. So grab some of that sauce to add the tomato to. And then we just want to make sure there's no chunks, so just make sure it all goes down to the pan. Right, it's time to shred your beef. I personally, like when I shred it, I take out all the fat. I don't like the fat in there. Yeah, I mean, it's your preference, really. Okay, those tomatoes that we were letting cool, we're going to blend them now. We're going to put some salt in the tomatoes and blend it right up. Okay, we're going to take the blended tomato and pour it into the broth sauce that, that we poured out. Make sure it blends all up in there. So now I'm just prepping the lime, cutting the onion, the cilantro, because we're about to get these tacos ready and on the pan so we can eat. Oh, I'm so hungry. Then you're going to put your delicious shredded beef into the sauce. Okay, now we're going to make the tortillas. We're going to grease the pan a little bit. Then we're going to dip this corn tortilla into the broth that we put to the side. Sorry this part was done kind of sloppily. We are hungry. My family's been waiting to eat. And then, so yeah. We're gonna add cheese to the tortilla while it's still in the pan. Then we're gonna add the meat while it's still in the pan as well. Whew! Oh my goodness. Okay, then we're gonna put the onion and cilantro as much as you want on it. I'm sorry, I ain't trying to do the most, trying to make it look like super good. Just know it tastes delicious. Okay. Take a bite. Wow. Oh my goodness. It is delicious. Dip that in there. You want some stinky? I know y'all don't want to sit here and listen to me smack. I'm about to finish the rest of this plate. Please subscribe. Let me know if y'all want any more cooking videos and stuff like that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. My first cooking video. Oh, man. Oh. All right, I'm about to go finish my food. Love you guys. Bye.